So I've literally just jumped on the charts. So let's have a little nosy. First thing I'm going to do this morning, I've just done this actually, but get rid of any alarms I've got from yesterday. So we'll remove any of those, and then just start at the top. So what have we got here? Looks like this one's having a little downward hoof, doesn't it? So we basically on this one just want the MTFTI aligned. So I'm going to go for a bull and a bear because I've got no idea what way that's going. Pretty much like me, pre-coffee. Right, now have a look at Mr. JPY. Oh, interesting. So this one, I've got a perceived target down here. I'm going to go for a roundabout. What's on that one at the minute? It's a nice rejection. Oh, that's in there. There's target there for me currently. Right. So I've had a breach, I've had a cross, missed this one. Uh, so it's tap back. So I'm going to want, I know it's a JPY pair and we say the red EMA, but for me, because I'm waiting for Bollinger Band breaches, I'm going to wait for this one to come back quite hard. So I'm going to set an alert back on that one for a 21. Oh, hang on. Why is that doing that? Oh, no. It's the joys of doing things first thing in the morning, isn't it? Why are you doing this? Want that? Why are you doing that? Oh, it's because it's on my horizontal ray. And I want it to hit slow EMA. That'll do me. EU, going up or down? I think it knows itself, does it? Looks like it's heading up, to be honest. Just check. Actually, that's bearish. Bearish on a higher time frame. What we in there? It's a bit of a. It's got some areas. So if we're going up, that'd be a target for me. Take out all this. So I'm going to put same thing on this one. I'm going to double up on the old alerts. Oh, it's done it again because I put me double up on a bull aligned and bear aligned on this one. Sheffy. Oh, Sheffy looks quite nice. Where's that off to? Where is that off to? What have we got over here? So I'll look at target wise down there. It's got quite a nice. It's in this 5 minute leg. Right, price is here at the minute. What we got down here? 50% of that. I'm going to go a little bit above 50%. That'll be a target. Let's have a look. So that's a nice little room to move, isn't it? So I've had a breach. I'm looking for a cross down on this one. So bear cross on that one. Did that? And actually, because I do like a little trend line to tell me if things are happening or not. So I'm just going to whack an alarm on that as well. USD CAD. Where are you going? I'm already up there, right? Breach, cross, tap. Right, I need a full reset on that one. Lower band hit on that one. CAD Chef. It's already run a really nice leg for the Asian. I bet Lee would have been in one of these. I want a Bollinger Band breach on this pair before I trade this one again. So this time I want an upper band hit. Chef. Um, 1 minute's out. What's this doing with itself today? I think this is still really bullish, this pair. Oh, nosy, nosy. Sort of leveled out a little bit. All I'm looking at, guys, when I'm doing this is I want to know if, like, the 1 hour on the higher time frame is going up or down. This at the minute is, it's all going sideways. Look, can you see? It's in a big range that it's been sitting in. Whereas over here, can you see? Nice up, 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 up on the 1 hour. So now it's making its mind up. Yeah, it's an Umma or an Ara, that one. We've got a bit of room to move on it. This isn't something you have to do, and there's only certain areas I look at. This is just to give me guidelines in the market. So I can just have a look and go, yeah, if we're going up, we've got a bit of a target up there. So on this one, 1 minute's out, I'm just going to go look at the 1 minute. 1 minute's just coming back in, look. So 1 minute's in, go to the 5 minute. It's had a breach, now I'm looking for a cross. So I want a bull cross on that one. And then if I did trade this first target, it's going to be here. So it's going to have to be pretty sharpish. That comes in, that 1 minute's just dropped out again. Look. So I'll only be trading that if the 1 minute comes in. And then I did have an alarm just far off on USD Chef. Well, here we go. Can you see I'm not going to just jump in a trade because it's telling me the candles are coming down. So this is how I use a trend line. Like I'll just move it again. Still waiting for this EMA cross down. So I'll just set my alarm back on that trend line again. So every time price comes through, I just get a little notification. Bob's your uncle, and have a look. But that is how I set the pairs up this morning. What else is going about? UJ's neither here nor there at the minute. So waiting to see what that's doing. What is that doing? 15 at 30. Yes, come up and tap to previous. Wait a minute. Looks like it's pushing down for a little bit. Never know, you might get a sell on that. Let's go back to the 5. Just to have a look at a couple of your pairs for you. It's cold up to this morning. Is that done? No, that's all out of whack. Odd Chef. So if I was trading this, can you see this has had a really long run? So I'd want to pull back through the Bollinger Band 2. Nice breach. Off you go again. Probably got decent target. Yeah, it's got decent targets down here. Look. AN. AN is just looking like it's going bullish. So breach, cross, 1, 2, 3. It's on its 4th tap now. So I'd probably want to pull back to the 248 Bollinger Band breach, something like that. Or I'd go on that one. This one, AJ. So it's breach up here, look. Breach, cross, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's had loads of hits on it. So where's that off to? It's got room to move as well. I would want a deep pull back on this though before trading. Remember, this is my plan, guys. I like this price action. I like this as targets. So where's AU? Where's AU's breach? First breach was up here, really. Crossover, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. So I would like a deeper pullback if I was trading AU for it to then drop, but it has got some decent targets. All of this looks quite pleasant. That's a decent 21 touch, that one, at the moment. We've got EA. Okay. Let's get rid of some drawings. I must have had something on this yesterday. So this one at the moment, it's all bullish. It's had its initial touch down here, look, breach, pushed up. It's had another breach here, not a crossover. It's had a breach here though, with a cross. That could have been first entry point. Been a bit tight, depending on what your stop would have been on that. Second entry point. So it's just got a breach at the minute, so you're waiting for a crossover again. I'd want this to come a bit deeper as well. Just have a look at a couple more. So look at Euro GBP as well, because crazy, crazy 7 o'clock open on Euro GBP. A nice bit of market manipulation. So for me, if I was trading this, I really want, because of this, I'd want a deep pullback. Really deep pullback down to here somewhere. So a really good Bollinger Band breach before I traded that one. Same thing, you want everything in alignment on EM at EJ. And last but not least, I'll go and have a look at NZ pair actually. This is coming up into like target areas. Can you see it's had a nice run as well? Breach, cross, pullback, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we want a deep pullback on that. So just chilled trading. Let's have a look at some NZs. What are they doing? Oh, nice run through the Asian again, look. So with this one, because the breach was up here, look, it's crossed over. You want to pull back through the Bollinger Band again on that one. Nice reset. It's got a lot of price action to run down for, look. Set an alarm on that. Oh, Bollinger Band upper hit, that would be. Look at NJ. What's that like? Oh, again, those two run very similar, don't they? Nice bit of price action on those pairs today. Quite nice looking, but same thing, because you've had the breaches up here, crosses, look, you've had a lot of hits. You want another pullback before you go on that. So there you go, guys. Wendy. It's because it's Wednesday, isn't it? Wendy's morning thoughts. So up we go. All right. USD chef is just starting to go. A lot of candles though. So I'm probably, if this is going, I'm going to wait for this to drop and take this off of a pullback if it's going anywhere. And there you go. Happy trading. Stop the recording at some point.